Stripe is only available in these 48 countries listed here: Australia, Bulgaria, all the way to UAE, Spain, Romania, Latvia, and Nigeria is not on this list. If you try creating a shop account right now in Nigeria, it is going to bring you to this interface, right? And if you check the business location, you also find out that Nigeria is missing right here. And if you decide to go ahead, come here, select company, and click on continue, employer identification number is going to be a problem for you. And that's the bad news. But there's good news. And the good news is that I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video how to create a legitimate Stripe account from the comfort of your home right here in Nigeria. And that's not all. I'm also going to be showing you how to create an actual, not virtual, an actual, a real bank account in the US. If you're excited about this, I want to encourage you right now to sit back, relax, right? And let's jump right in. Now, what most people will do is to go straight to stripe.com and try creating an account. But no, that is not what you should do. The first thing you need to do is to click on the first link in the video description. And once you click on that link, it's going to bring you to the website that you're looking at on my screen right now. Before I actually get to showing you guys exactly how to do everything step by step, you might be asking, who are these guys? GoNomad is a leading platform that specializes in assisting businesses with incorporation services in the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada. Their product is accessible via the web app, which is the website that is showing on your screen right now. They also enable customers to perform a range of functions, including company formation, annual compliance filing, business bank accounts, and payment processing setup, growth solutions, and many more. Their goal is to support entrepreneurs, freelancers, and business owners in navigating the complexities of international business transactions. And one of such challenges is setting up a Stripe account or a US bank account, especially if you live in a country like Nigeria where Stripe is not allowed. So all you need to do is to click on the first link in the description, and it's going to bring you to this interface, just like I said earlier. Now, once you are here, you need to come here and click on Get Started, and it's going to bring you to this interface. So what you need to do is to put in your first name, your last name, your email address right here, your phone number, your password, and put in your password again to confirm your password. So I'm going to fill out this information and come here and click on Sign Up. And once we are done, it brings us to this interface where it's asking us, where would you like to register your company, right? The US, the UK, or Canada. So you need to select the country where you want to register your company. So let's say we want to go with the US. I'm going to select US right here. Which state do you want to register your company in? So we're going to select Colorado, which is actually the cheapest, right? 100% off and cheapest tax. I'm going to select Colorado. Now, what would you like to name your company? Let's say we want to call this company Online Hustle Ventures. So just Online Hustle, right? I'm going to hit Submit. So it says, start your US or UK company now. Form an LLC or C Corp in the US or UK from anywhere in the world. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world. This website actually works. So 100% online, ready within 24 to 72 hours, and 100% money back guarantee. So this is what actually makes this super interesting. So I'm going to come here and hit on Start Incorporation. Now it'll bring you to this interface, and this is where you actually make payment for this. Yes, it is not free. You have to pay. Even in Nigeria, when you are registering a company with CAC, you also have to pay for it. So what you need to do is to put in your first name right here, your last name right here, put in your email address right here. Now, how much is this? This is 422,000 naira, which is about less than $400 actually. You can pay with your debit or credit card using Paystack, so any Nigerian card will actually work on this particular website. So you can use your card to pay. You can come here and click on Pay in 4 installments using the clone, right? So this place right here lets you pay in 4 installments. So what's going to happen is that this money is going to be divided into 4 and you pay in 4 installments. Now, assuming you don't have the full money right now, I actually want to do this. You can come here and click on this place, right? So right here, you are allowed to pay in 4 installments. So you can click on I agree and hit place order to place an order. And that's what you need to do. So let me show you guys something real quick. I'm going to come back here to the homepage of GoNomad. Then I'm going to come here and click on pricing. So you say this is the things you're going to be getting. You're going to be getting company information and documents. You're going to be getting your tax ID or EIN, which is what Stripe requires to create an account for us right here. So you're going to be getting this from this particular website once you set up your company. So another thing you're going to be getting is a business address and phone number, which you can actually use on Stripe and on your bank account. You're also going to be getting a bank account and Stripe account and Payoneer account created for you by this particular platform. And you're also going to be getting priority customer support, which is one of the things I love the most about GoNomadHQ.com. But that's not all. There are a few things you're going to be getting for completely free. And these are things like premium tax consultation, a business template, connect to business financing and lifetime support, of course, only on GoNomad. This is one of the things I find very, very interesting about this particular platform, guys. So if we come here to Trustpilot, you're going to be seeing that GoNomad has very high positive reviews. 4.0/5 is like way up there, and if you come down right here, you see what people are saying about this particular platform. Maxi Mills has very nice review. Emanuela Imo has very nice reviews. This is Gift Best Junior has very nice reviews, and you keep going down, you keep seeing people with amazing reviews, basically. So one of the questions you might have right now is, what are the things you need to provide for this process to run smoothly and complete in record time? Now, you need to provide some basic company information, such as the name of your company, the industry you're operating, company description, phone number, local company address, utility bill as proof of address, company website, company social media handles. And if this company is owned by more than one person, the people that own more than 20% equity in the business must provide their personal information, which is their name, their email address, their phone number, and of course, utility bill, address verification, and ID card, which is basically your passport or your NIN slip. So how much does this cost? If you are raising your business in a state like Colorado, you're going to be paying $399. If you are raising in the UK, which is a limited liability company, you're going to be paying the same $399. If you are registered in Delaware, you're going to be paying $499. Wyoming and Canada is also $499. And here are the things that GoNomad is going to be providing you with. UK, US, or Canada company incorporation, US, UK, or Canada post-formation documents, a business address and phone number, EIN, UTR, or ROC. These things are basically your tax ID number. You're also going to be getting a US or UK actual physical bank account for your business. You're going to be getting a Stripe account, which is actually very important. You're going to be getting a Stripe account for free. You're also entitled to free tax consultation because your business is going to be paying tax in those cities where it's actually registered. So here are some of the benefits you get when you register your business in the US, UK, or Canada. Number one, you can leverage your US, UK, or Canada company to gain access to international clients, which would also increase clients' trust. You get to keep your business profits in dollar or pounds offshore to hedge against the declining value in Naira. You can finally say goodbye to any sort of global payment issues as you can bill clients using Stripe from anywhere in the world. You can also decide to grow into a physical location in the US, UK, or Canada whenever you're ready, leveraging your incorporation. Of course, you're registered in those countries. I already showed you how to make payment, but if you want to make payment in other currencies or other routes, it's also available. I've included all the payment routes that are showing on your screen right now in the video description below, right? So there's a payment route for Colorado and the UK, which is the same price. There's a payment route for Delaware, Wyoming, and Canada. There's also a payment route too, where you actually make a transfer to a normal bank account right here in Nigeria. And the bank account, I've also included it in the description of this video below. Now, you can also make a dollar payment into GoNomad's account in Delaware. So that account number is showing on your screen also, and I've also included in the description of this video below. And finally, you can also pay using USDT. The USDT address and network, which is TRC20, I've also included that in this video description below. So whichever is convenient for you works. There's a whole lot of FAQs that I've gotten, especially when I'm actually telling people about this particular platform. And these are questions like, after the first year of incorporation, how much do I have to pay yearly? The question is that the service they offer is a one-off payment. However, the subsequent payment will be for the annual report and taxes, which vary from state to state. The good thing is that they also offer free tax consultation. So they're going to be helping you with all of these questions after you have incorporated your company with GoNomad. So the next question here is, can I have a fully automated US PayPal account? Yes, it requires ITIN, which costs $350 USD, aside from the initial incorporation fee of $499 USD, and it takes about 10 to 15 weeks. So what this means is that if you want a PayPal account, right, you can also get that by paying an extra $350 for your ITIN, with which you can now create a PayPal account that works anywhere in the world, including right here in Nigeria. And the next question is, do you open a US personal bank account? Nope. What they will do for you is to open a business bank account with the name of the business that they have just helped you incorporate. Is there a restriction to the kind of business I can incorporate? All legitimate businesses will be incorporated. So long as your business is legitimate, it is going to be incorporated. Do you process trademarks also? Yes. At the moment, GoNomad does trademark processing as well. The next question is, which US bank do you open an account with? There's a whole lot of banks that GoNomad actually open an account with, but some of them are Wise and Mercury and a whole lot of others. I'm not a US or UK citizen. Do I have to pay taxes? The answer is yes. You have to pay taxes because you are doing business in these countries. However, non-resident entrepreneurs experience way fewer tax obligations. So the fact that you don't live in these countries means that you pay lower in taxes. Can I sell on Amazon after incorporating my business in the US? The question is a resounding yes, right? This also helps you become a seller on Amazon where you can actually make a whole lot of money. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be making a detailed video about how to actually sell on Amazon very soon. The next question here is, which of the countries is advisable to incorporate in tax because of tax? That's tax-wise. Tax-wise, the US advisable due to minimal tax for non-residents. So you might want to choose the United States. Do you help to get an FSA or FDA license? At the moment, GoNomad do not, but upon request, they can refer you to agents that will assist you in that regard. Can I also use the US bank details to receive dollars transferred from another US bank? The answer is yes. You can use it to receive dollars transferred from another US bank and other US accounts worldwide. You are able to complete domestic and international transfers. Can I make use of a bank statement in lieu of a utility bill? Yes, only if your bank statement bears your complete address. However, we strongly advise that you use your utility bill. Somebody asked and said, can my Wise account be reactivated after it's been deactivated? The answer to that question is that you should actually reach out to Wise and find out exactly why your account was deactivated in the first place, right? And they will help you fix that. The next question here is, can I set up a PayPal account without incorporating my business or company? The answer is no. You cannot set up a PayPal account without incorporating your business or company. Your business or company has to be registered first before you can actually set up a PayPal account for that particular business. How much does business company incorporation and getting a PayPal account cost? I've answered this before. The both of them would cost $849. PayPal alone is $350 for your ITIN, while company information is $499. Total is $849. Another question that I've seen before is, can you help to open a bank account in Bank of America, Chase, Citibank, or Wells Fargo? The answer is no, and the reason is simple. These banks require your physical presence before an account can be opened for you. Do you offer instrumental payments? The answer is yes. I already showed you how to actually take advantage of that. I can pay in 4 installments. How does the instrumental payment work? All you need to do is to apply for our instrumental payment plan, make a non-refundable deposit of $25, which is the IPP application fee, and expect an update on your application within 48 hours. Terms and conditions do apply. Or you can use the Clump/Zilla gateway via the GoNomad website, and you will be directed to your requirements. Terms and conditions also do apply. Is the EIN also the same thing as ITIN? The answer is no. These are two different things. EIN is the employer identification number, which is assigned to a business or companies, while the ITIN is the individual taxpayer identification number, which is assigned to an individual. Does a company need a website to incorporate in the US? The answer is yes. A company's website is a vital requirement when you are registering a company in the US or the UK, because it is the only way to verify the services rendered and operations of the business or companies. How do I pay for my company's annual tax, IRS compliance, and registered agent fees after incorporation? GoNomad will also help you file for annual tax filing, IRS compliance, registered agent fees, and you can reach out to GoNomad via their support channel. You will be informed on how to go about it. Do you also help to file a DBA, which is doing business as? The answer is yes. GoNomad will also help you to file DBA. Do you help to get an auto dealership license? The answer is yes. GoNomad will also help you to get an auto dealership license. So there are 3 basic things you can actually achieve with this, right? If you want to set up a permanent PayPal account that is never going to be blocked in Nigeria, you can use GoNomad to actually achieve that. That's one. Then you want to set up a Stripe account that works and it's never going to be blocked, right? You can use GoNomad to actually achieve that. And 3, if you want a physical and real bank account in the US with which you can actually receive money for your business, right? You can also use GoNomad to achieve that, right? So here's what I need to do right now. If you run a freelance or online business, you definitely need a bank account that can accept payments from anywhere in the world. And I can assure you that a physical bank account is actually the best as opposed to a virtual bank account. And the Nigerian bank account has a lot of limitations. Yeah, we all know that there are apps that can help you set up virtual bank accounts in US, in Canada, in Australia, like all those places. But all of these have their own limitation. They cannot be as a physical and real bank account in this country. So GoNomad is actually the lasting and permanent solution to these challenges. What this means is that your customers, it doesn't matter where they are in the world, can actually pay you directly into your US bank account, registered in the name of your business. So with GoNomad, you can basically register your business in the US, UK, and Canada. It is the most affordable option compared to a whole lot of others. Trust me, I've checked them out. Here is a quick recap. When you register your business with GoNomad, you get number 1, company formation in the US or UK certificate in less than 24 hours. Number 2, US, UK, Canada business bank account available with mobile app. Number 3, you get a Stripe account with which you can receive international payments. Number 4, you get a registered agent, business address and phone number as well. Number 5, you get your tax ID, which is your EIN. And number 6, you get all the essential documents that you need for your business to be up and running in the USA, in Canada, or in Australia, guys. So I want to encourage you right now to click on the first link in the video description right now and jump on the GoNomad website right now and get your company registered so you can get all of these benefits that I've mentioned in this particular video, guys. So until I see you in my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.